Yeah, hi everyone, welcome to PrepFusion. So in this video, we are going to discuss that droppers preparation strategy for GATE 2027 examination. So those who are going to take a drop for GATE 2027 examination, they should be watching this video. It might be your first drop, second drop, third drop, whatever it is, you can watch this particular video. And you might be from any branch, you can watch this video as well. Okay. Mostly I will be talking about EC electrical. I will be giving the examples of EC electrical subject. But if you are someone from CSC mechanical, then also you can watch this video, mechanical or civil. Understandable? And now secondly, in the comment section, a lot of people will come and they will say that, sir, please make a plan for college going student. So that I have already made. 1 hour 22 minutes video is there. Complete plan have been already made. Semester wise plan has been made. Okay, what you need to do in this month, what you need to do, how you need to proceed. So like your senior, everything I have told here. In your college life, how you need to maintain your CGPA, how you need to prepare for GATE examination, how you need to enjoy your college life, everything has been told in this particular video. So you should just go to this video and watch it. That's it, job done. Okay, this particular video is only for the dropper student. So let's get started. What all are the must do things? These things you should do, these things you have to do. You are a dropper student, you are not having any pressure of job, nothing. You are sitting at home or wherever you are having 7 hours per day efficiently for sure, right? 7 hours you can give to your preparation. Sir, I am doing gym as well, sir, I have some hobby as well. Whatever the work is there, you can sleep for 8 hours as well. 7 hours at least you can get. Okay, this is the least requirement. You have taken a drop for GATE examination, you are giving 1 year for yourself, then this is the least requirement, that 7 hours a day I will have to give. Avoiding all kind of distractions. Okay, you open any social media, there will be distractions. Even if you are opening it for the study purpose, no, then also there will be distractions. You open, let's just say you open LinkedIn for study purpose, so there would be some people giving needless gyan there. Okay, someone like me, they will be giving needless gyan that this examination is there, that examination is there. Avoid all those needless gyan. Okay, gyan means advices, needless advices. Fruitful advices, in this video you will get everything. Okay, now you open Reddit, you open Telegram group, sir, who is the best teacher for this particular subject? He is the god, he is the best teacher. And the guy who is giving the gyan, he never studied from him. If he had ever studied, no. If he had ever studied, then he would be at a good place and he would be doing something good. Okay, my words may be harsh, but it is what it is. I have seen a lot of people doing these things. They are writing down GATE examination for past 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and they keep on doing the same thing. Okay, because dopamine, we need to get our dopamine high, no? How we will get our dopamine high? We are failing in the examination. No, failing is not wrong. Okay, but if you are failing in the examination and then you are taking it on ego, and ego, what's the ego? The ego says that, okay, how I can fail? If the ego is saying that yes, I failed, but I will not let myself fail again, that's the correct ego. But most of the engineers are having the ego, how I can fail? This is not my mistake. This would be the mistake of someone else. Then he will talk about this guy, that guy. So that kind of egoist guy, you will see a lot of these kind of people in Telegram group, in Reddit, everywhere you would see these kind of people. Avoid that kind of distraction. And social media distraction is also there, scrolling the reels or YouTube videos and all. So avoid those distractions as well, because your mind should be stable here. Okay, this is the requirement. It's not that, sir, if I keep on watching the Instagram reels, then sir, I'm wasting the time. Surely you are wasting the time, but there what happens, your mind will also be involved in some other things, right? Your attention power, your attention span will also reduce. Why is that so? Because in the reels, like within 30 seconds you need to get something good, right? But studies don't go like that. You need to have a concentration for next 2 to 3 hours, then only you will be able to study. But in reels, what happens? In every 30 seconds you need something new, right? So if that kind of temperament you will build up, then you will never be able to study. That's why you avoid all these kind of shorts content or YouTube content, something like that. Okay, and don't watch these conspiracy theory that in 2020, in 2020, in 2050 this will happen, that will happen, this virus would come up. All these things we need to avoid. Okay, because mind should be sharp. I'm not saying that avoid your hobbies. If you are having some hobby, I play badminton, I play cricket, I play guitar, whatever the hobby is there, proceed with the hobby, but make sure that 7 hours you are studying and your mind is sharp and it is at the right place. There should not be any kind of distraction. Understandable? Everything is crystal clear. And when I'm saying 7 hours per day, try getting 45 hours efficient per week. 45 hours efficient per week. And consistency is the most important part. Okay, if someone asks me that what is the first thing that I need to keep in my mind if I am preparing for GATE examination, that is consistency. If you are not consistent, then drop the GATE examination preparation. If some guy is studying 5 hours consistently, let's just say some guy is studying 5 hours consistently for 7 days. So 5 hours for 7 days, no? So how much he has studied? 35 hours. Now there is some guy who has studied one day 10 hours. Second day he studied 3 hours. Then third day he did not study. Fourth day he did not study. Then he studied 10 hours again. Then he studied 5 hours. Right? Then he did not study. Then he studied 1 hour. So he has studied more, no? In 7 days. Okay, let's take only this much. So in 20, he has studied 28 hours only. Let's just say here he is studying 2 hours, or here he is studying 7 hours. So this guy has studied more. This guy has studied more. Okay, or they have studied the same amount of time. But here those gaps, no, these gaps, these 2 day of gap, that will hurt him. After 2 days, like he studied 10 hours here, then 3 hours only. Then after these 3 days, when he will come back here, no, then he will feel like that, sir, I am lagging in the concept. I don't remember what I studied 2 days back. And then he will go back to the notes. Or if he is not going back to the notes, then whatever the new things he is learning here, there he will struggle. So make sure that even if you are having a rough day, even if you are having a very hectic day, then at least try studying 1 hour. Don't go like, day should not be wasted. That's in the complete day I did not study anything till this date. Okay, till this date, even if I am having some very important work as well, no, till this date I study at least 1 hour, no matter whatever I am studying. I might be studying probability, I might be studying PNC, I might be studying something out of the books. Okay, I might be studying something related to AI or data science, whatever I am studying, but till this date I study at least 1 hour, no matter what kind of work we are having. Okay, so studying daily is the best possible hobby that you can create. 1 hour only. If there is a very tough day, still you can get 1 hour, no? Say yes or no, right? So that your mind should be stable and it should be in the mode of preparation. But if these kind of things are happening, no, then there is an issue. So the days should not be wasted here. Are you able to understand this point? You might get some work, although you are a dropper, you wouldn't be getting any like very important work. So there is a birthday of a friend or anything like that. So attend those birthday parties, whatever it is. You can give 5 hours, 6 hours there, but still you will be getting some hours, no? So again, you are understanding this point or not? Consistency is the most important part. You have to be consistent enough. Otherwise, there is no meaning of preparing for GATE examination. Understandable? All good, all fine. So 7 hours per day, and we will try to maintain the consistency. In between, if you feel like that, yes, sir, now I need to take a break. Sir, I have been studying continuously for 10 days. Sir, I feel like taking a complete day off. I will not study anything. That you can do. Okay, the day you feel like that, sir, I am completely drained now. I want to rest. I want to take some rest. So that is absolutely fine. But if you are just making some excuses, no, that sir, today this has happened, that day this happened, then this happened, then that happened. So it will keep on happening. Okay, so excuses should not be there. Yes, if you want to tell yourself that, sir, yeah, I want to have some rest, it is absolutely fine. Okay, but don't make any excuses. Understandable? So this slide is clear to you. So this was the general talks that I wanted to deliver. Now, sir, what should be the action plan? So let's get started with the action plan. First one is that you are a dropper student. So we will pick 2 subjects parallelly. Now, sir, I am a dropper student, but I never prepared for GATE examination. But you have given semester examination, no? Something you have done, right? Let's just say there are 2 subjects, network analysis and signals and systems. Now, if I ask you in which subject you are more comfortable, let's just say you are more comfortable in network analysis. You would say, sir, I did not prepare for GATE examination. Network analysis I studied on semester level, but something you have studied, no? Some idea you are having. If I ask you that tell your 3 favorite subjects, can you tell, right? There would be some subjects, no, where you are comfortable. Are you able to understand this point? So that one subject you will pick, and other subject would be that where you are not comfortable, like EMFT, EDC it might be, okay? Or it might be somewhat like signals and systems, there you might not be comfortable. So these subjects we will pick. What is the note that I have put here? For EC and electrical students I am telling, and here I have put only for EC. Okay, for electrical, what will be the condition? In place of communication, you will put all the core subjects. Okay, it could be electrical machines, it could be power system analysis, or it could be power electronics as well. For electrical, I am saying. Okay, and for other branches, I cannot tell actually. Okay, so basically the point is that analog is related with network, communication is related with signal system. Now someone would say that, sir, I have already studied signal system. Okay, I am comfortable with signal system. Can I start with communication system? I would still say no. Okay, please revise communication system once. Please revise it once. If you want to study it again, you can study it again. Or if you are having, sir, I completely know the concept, I just need to revise my notes, then give 2 to 3 days and revise the notes. But once cover signal system again. This is what I am saying. Okay, let's not ignore it completely. Are you able to understand this point? Because we are having the prerequisite. No, analog is completely having the prerequisite of network analysis. So what we will do, we will revise the notes at least. If revision of the notes is done, then we will solve the PYQs. So basically what we are saying is that we are not going to start with analog or communication. Is that understandable to you? And for electrical guys, it will be electrical machines, power system analysis, or power electronics, because they are also related with network analysis. Right? Everything is related with network analysis. In most of the core subjects are related with the network analysis when it comes to electrical guys. But for us, EMFT is nearly independent. EDC is also nearly independent. Communication is related with signals, like highly it is related with signals, but EMFT, EDC, those are our core subjects which are nearly independent subject only. Is that clear to you? Okay. So one subject where you are already comfortable, and one subject where you are not so comfortable. And we will take roughly 45 days to cover these two subjects, because we are studying good enough now, right? We are studying good enough. 7 to 8 hours we are studying. So 45 days we will take for covering these subjects with the PYQs. As many PYQs as you can do. As many PYQs as you can do. Okay, but we should be done with the PYQs as well. It's not that, sir, I have already only watched the video lectures, and sir, I have just solved the class notes problem. No, you should be done with the PYQs as well. It might happen that you are done with the PYQs of your own branch, right, or 2 branches, but some PYQs you should be done with. Now, sir, what will happen is that once I am done with these 2 subjects, what I will be doing, I will be moving to subject 3 and 4. Now, when you are moving to subject 3 and 4, no, at that time you will be solving the PYQs of the previous subject 1 and 2, whichever the PYQs are left. Are you able to understand this point? So when I have moved here, I am solving the PYQs of subject 1 and 2. And just as I feel like that, sir, PYQs are done, now I am completely comfortable in these 2 subjects, you will get started with that test series immediately. You are a dropper student, bro. Okay, again and again I am saying, you are giving 1 year. You cannot take anything for future. Sir, I will do this thing in future. I will get started with the test series in July month, sir, or August month. No. Move to the new subject 3 and subject 4 I am studying, and I am giving some time to solve the PYQs of the previous subject. Once I feel like that, sir, PYQs are done, now I am comfortable, move to the test series. That's it. And when you solve the PYQs, never ever solve the PYQs in time bound. Okay. What you need to do is that write down on paper one thing, that after watching this video, I will go to YouTube and type how to solve PYQs efficiently PrepFusion. So there will be one video where I have completely given the plan that how to solve the PYQs in the best possible manner. Okay. So complete plan I have given. What you will type, how to solve the PYQs efficiently PrepFusion after watching this video. Is that clear to you? So just write it down on paper, otherwise you will forget. So this video also you need to watch, because 99% of the students would solve PYQs in a wrong manner. Right? More than 5,000 students would solve the PYQs, but how many students get the rank? Are you able to understand this point? So they are solving it in a wrong manner, no? So there is something wrong. So that I have told in this particular video that you can watch. Now, sir, what about the test series, sir? How to analyze the test series, all those things. So tomorrow I am going to upload a video. There I will be talking about the test series. For 20-25 minutes, I will be talking about the test series, that how you can perfectly utilize the test series. Okay. In that video, I did not talk that which test series you can buy. So being a EC student or electrical student, I would say that you can go with our test series. Sir, you are promoting your test series. For sure, I will promote my test series, because I am putting up the effort. So a lot of free tests are there. You can go and watch the quality of those free tests. We are giving the video solution as well. Absolutely, you will love the test series. Okay. So you can go and watch our test series, and then based on the previous year inputs. Okay. I had some students who purchased some other test series last year. I always recommend taking 2 or more than 2 test series. So based on the reviews of last year, I don't know what will happen this year, because this year those institute may be improving. So based on the reviews of last year, I would recommend ACE. Okay. Based on the reviews of last year, ACE test series you can take. Okay. Other coaching issues are also there. Who knows, they might be improving this year, so they may bring up something good as well. So based on the reviews of last year, I am telling. This year, sir, what is the scenario? I did not check. Okay. Every year I also purchase the test series. I also see their test, because I need to bring myself in a better manner. No. So they are my competitor, I know. So you can go and watch our test series quality. Okay. Like you will not, it is not even comparable. Bottom line, I would say, you can call me arrogant or whatever it is. PrepFusion test series is not even comparable to anyone that I can write down on paper and sign it. Okay. You can call arrogant, or I'm sorry, I'm being arrogant, but it is what it is. That kind of test series we have framed, because a lot of free tests are there. You can write down those tests and you will get to know what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah. So this is what I was saying. So test series, and sir, how to write down the test series? So complete guidance, I will be uploading the video tomorrow. Understandable? Okay, so, and you will proceed with the same idea for the next two subjects as well, subject 1 and 2, the way you have completed subject 1 and 2. Once you are done with these two subjects, no, you will yourself realize that how I need to proceed with subject 3 and 4. Once you are done with subject 1 and 2, after that, on your own, you will understand how to proceed in the preparation. So after that, you will not need me. You will need my guidance only for the starting. I just need to give you an initial push. Once that initial push you have got, no, after that everything will be on you. You yourself will understand that, yeah, this is how I need to proceed in my preparation. Are you able to understand this point? So these guidance videos are just for an initial push, and make sure that this is the only guidance video you are watching, because today I am bringing some video. No, once 200 days are left for GATE examination, then also the video would come. Once 150 days are left for GATE examination, then also the video would come. If then 100 days videos will also come, and there would be some guys who will be watching this video as well. They will be watching 200 days videos as well, 150 days videos as well, and 100 days videos as well. Okay, so which category you want to fall in? I hope you will watch only one guidance video and that's it. Okay, after that you will never watch the guidance video. Sir, 150 days plan, 200 days plan, 100 days plan, sir, I don't need to follow, I am already studying. Okay, I have got to know that how to proceed in the preparation. That should be your temperament, that should be your target. Understandable? So yeah, this was the action plan. This was the first point that I wanted to deliver. So you know the flow of preparation now. Okay, you know the flow of preparation. One subject, two subjects I need to pick. One subject already comfortable, one subject not so comfortable. Okay, then I need to then I need to do the PYQs as well. Within 45 days, I will be targeting that. I will be completing the video lectures and I will be solving the PYQs. This will be my target, and then proceed with the same scenario in subject 3 and subject 4 as well. When I am studying subject 3 and subject 4, I am solving the PYQs of the previous subject. Once I feel like that I am completely comfortable with the previous subject, I will move to the test series. And sir, how to analyze the test series and all those things, I will be telling you in tomorrow's video. Sir, how to solve the PYQs, that video I have already uploaded. So you just need to go to the YouTube and type this particular query and put the name PrepFusion, you will get the video. And this was the general point that I told, that you should not be getting started with analog and communication, or for electrical students, I would say don't start with your core subjects. Understandable? Well and good. Okay. Now, what about the note making? So from your childhood, you would have studied, you would have heard, like from JEE examination, I would say, from class 11th, you would have heard that your own notes are the best notes. I also used to say the same thing, and I also believe it, that your own notes are the best notes. Okay, if you make your notes on your own, then they are the best. But again, you are not having that much of time. No, you are not a college going student. You are having roughly around 8 months only. You are not a college going student now. And the syllabus is vast. Okay. If you keep on making your own notes, let's say you keep on making the waveforms and all, so that will take too much of time. Now it's not that, sir, we will be studying less. No, we are studying 7 hours. If we are making the own notes, then also we are studying 7 hours only. Now, if we are not making our own notes, then you will get a lot of free time. In that free time, you can utilize that particular free time in problem solving. We give our printable notes, okay, complete printable notes we give in the best possible manner. The notes are written in neat and clean manner, and whatever that I am teaching, that has been written there. So aspirant never ever face any problem. Last year, whatever the top 100 rank guys were there, everyone, like apart from 1 or 2 students, everyone were studied from the printable notes only for saving the time. They used to get the printout. Yes, I am having the notes. Sir, you are teaching on the screen, and I am annotating on my notes only. So now, how to study with the printable notes? Again, write down on paper that, sir, after watching this video, I will go to YouTube and type how to study with printable notes PrepFusion. So that video also has been made. What you will type? How to study with printable notes PrepFusion Himanshu Agarwal. That video also has been made. Complete plan I have given, that what will be your flow of preparation when you are studying from the printable notes. Okay. So in the best possible manner, I know that a lot of people would think that, sir, I cannot study from the PDF. So we are not giving some rough PDF. Okay, this is the class, this is the PDF, you take it. No, we are giving the slides. Okay, there is no extra things that there is some thumbnail or all those things, nothing. Complete notes are there. Okay, and then in the printable format, black and white. I am not having the notes as of now, otherwise I would have showed you. Those are put there. So shall I bring it? So let me bring those notes. Okay, I will bring those notes, and I will show you what kind of printable notes we are having. So those kind of complete, neat and clean notes are there. No, so those you can refer. So I will bring the notes and I will show you. Yeah, so these are the notes we are having. I am not sure whether you will be able to see or not. So look, clear diagram, clear waveforms, everything is absolutely clear. Okay, let me show more things. Like you see, clear waveforms are drawn. Everything is clearly drawn. questions are written in a good manner. These are the notes of communication system. So everything is clearly written here. Okay, questions are written in this particular format. So everything is clearly written here. So you can annotate on this particular PDF. Along with that, not PDF, or you can annotate on this particular printable notes. Along with that, you should have the rough notebook as well. So sir, how will I utilize the printable notes and rough notebook? That I have told in the video. Which video? How to study with the printable notes PrepFusion. So that you need to type and watch that particular video. Is that understandable to you? Absolutely sir, clearly understandable. Okay, so because you are not having much time, that's why I am telling that. Now there might be some guys who will be saying that sir, I am already having my previous notes. When I prepared during my college days, at that time I made my notes. So I am having my own notes. Okay, I am having my own notes sir with me. So how to utilize those notes? So let's just say this is the notes that I prepared. Okay, these are the notes that I prepared last year, my own notes, right? And now this is the new notes that I am going to prepare. Let's just say I am studying engineering mathematics. So older notes I am having. So the teacher that I studied last year from, let's just say I studied engineering mathematics last year from teacher X. So whatever that he has taught, that has been written here. Now I am studying from teacher Y. This year I am studying engineering mathematics from teacher Y. So he will be telling those previous points as well, or he might be telling some new points as well, right? So whatever the previous point that he is telling, that has been already there in your note, no? Right? So whatever that he is teaching, it will be revised from your previous notes. So you will have a look at your previous notes as well. Okay sir, this I have already studied. He is teaching the same thing. It is there in my notes. Yes, I can revise it from here. Yes, I can revise in this manner. Now if he is teaching something new, then you can write down in the new notes. And surely you will find something new, no? If you don't find anything new, then what you are preparing, right? If you don't find anything new, if you already know everything, that means you would have got a rank. But if you are taking a drop, that means you are surely going to learn something new. Are you able to understand this point? So surely some new things you will be getting, so that you can write down. Now it might happen that the new teacher you are studying from, he might have missed some points that you studied last year. So that also you will revise. So are you able to understand this point? What is the flow? That two notes I will be having, one new that I am preparing and older ones. So 70 to 80% things will be written in the older notes only. Only 20% of the new things you need to write down. So those 20% of new things you can write down in your new notebook. The older notebook you will utilize in the best possible manner. Okay, whatever that is written there, that will be revised. Is that clear to you? So this is the flow of your preparation. This is how you will utilize your old notes. I would prefer that you start afresh and take the printable notes and proceed in the manner. But if someone would say that I have prepared a lot of notes, sir, I want to utilize those notes, then this is how you can utilize. Otherwise, I would recommend, from my side, the recommendation would be that you take the printable notes and proceed. But it's up to you what you need to do. Both of the plans I have told. But writing own notes right from the scratch, sir, I will start from subject 1 and write down all the notes till subject 10. That is something that I would not recommend from my side. Is that clear to you or not? Okay, well and good. This note is already taken, right? This note is already taken, so let's remove it. Done. This slide is done. Let's go to the next one. Sir, revision and syllabus completion date. Sir, revision, when should I start the revision? When should I start the revision? This is the query that I received, and this is the worst possible query that I can receive. When should I start the revision? You are doing the revision here, no? You are solving the PYQs of the previous subject, you are revising the notes, then you are going through the test series as well. So revision should go along with the subject. When you are studying these 3 and 4 subject, you are doing the PYQs of subject 1 and subject 2, then you are writing down the test series, you are revising the notes. If I come and ask you after the completion of 4th subject, okay, once you are done with subject 3 and subject 4, now you will be moving to subject 5 and 6. During this period, if I ask you a question from subject 1 and subject 2, you should be comfortable with that. This is non-revision, that's it. And when you are studying subject 5 and subject 6, at that time you are revising subject 3 and 4, you are solving the PYQs, and once you are comfortable, you will be moving to the test series as well. So this is the flow that would keep on going. With the subject completion, your previous subject will also be under, your previous subject will be also in the revision. My matter of concern, this line I say to all the GATE aspirant, my matter of concern will never be whatever the syllabus is left. My matter of concern will be that, sir, whatever that I have studied, have I studied that in a good manner? Am I able to solve all the questions from whatever that I studied? If you are able to solve all the questions from whatever that you have studied, then there is no one who can stop you from getting a good rank. Okay? People, aspirant, usually focus on the syllabus, sir, when the syllabus will be completed. Syllabus completion is a myth. Syllabus never gets completed. I completed my syllabus in 3rd year. I completed my syllabus on 31st December. Okay? Still I got a very good rank. Double digit rank I got. So syllabus completion is a myth. Are you able to understand this point? When you can say that, sir, I have completed the syllabus, that day when I say that tomorrow is your gate examination, and you would say that, sir, yes, take my paper, I am comfortable. That day will be notified as the syllabus completion day. So do you really think that, sir, just completing the lectures and just I have done the lectures, tomorrow I will be able to write down the gate examination? No. You will be saying, sir, I need to write down the test series, sir. I need to do this thing, that thing, sir. I need to revise as well. That's the worst possible way of preparing for gate examination or any competitive examination. That, sir, I will complete the syllabus by this date and then I will start the revision. Absolutely baseless. Whatever that you are covering should be revised. And believe me, guys, let's just say you cover some 7 to 8 subjects till September, October, then you start the revision. The first subject that you will pick up, no, this subject one that you have completed, this subject you will pick up in December. Okay, let's just say you are picking up this subject in October or November only. You will not remember half of the things. You will say that, sir, I studied it, but I forgot everything. This will happen, I'm telling you. This happens with a lot of people. So whatever that I am studying now, everything would be there in my command. That's the target. That's the only target. Syllabus completion and everything we will see. Something we will do. In the end, we will do something. Even if we are not able to complete the full syllabus, something we will do. Don't worry about it. But what is the target? Target is that we need to cover the part which we have already studied. If any day, sir, after 3 to 4 months, if you ask me a question from subject 1 and subject 2, sir, I will be able to solve it, or at least I will be able to give a fair attempt. It's not that, sir, I don't even remember. That thing should not happen. So your revision is going on. Together it is going on. Okay, in that manner, subjects will keep on compiling up and you will keep on revising them. So revision should keep on going. It's not that there is a particular date. Is that clear to you? So that's the revision strategy as well, and that's the way of revising as well. And revision is a boring process, I'm telling you. Revision is always a boring process. A lot of people feel revision as a boring process. They would think that, sir, let's learn something new, and in that they will avoid the revision. They will just keep on learning new things, and they will keep on forgetting the previous things, and they will completely mess up their gate examination. So yes, revision is a boring process. Revision is a hectic process as well, but I will do it because not everyone is doing it. Because doing the revision is not an easy job. Not everyone does it, and not everyone gets a rank, right? So those guys who do the revision in a good manner, they get a good rank. So always I say that keep on revising the things, even if you feel boring, even if you feel that it is hectic, or even if you feel like a struggling point, then also you should keep on revising. Say yes or no. Will you be revising your subjects or not? Surely you will be revising now. More than enough motivation I have given. Okay. So revision is going on. So what is the syllabus completion date? So I usually say that best possible case. This is the best case. Best case should be 31st December. And did you understand the meaning of subject completion? Yes, sir. The meaning of syllabus completion is that tomorrow if you take my gate examination, on 1st of January, sir, if you take my gate examination, I am comfortable. So that is known as syllabus completion. So best case I always say 31st December, and worst case I would say 15 days before the examination. 15 days before exam. Now whenever your exam is there, just take 15 days before that. That will be the worst case. Okay, last 15 days we will only write down the full length test, and full length test only. Okay, so that's the worst case of syllabus completion date, and best case is 31st December. Before that, no one can complete the syllabus. Like before that, even AIR1 cannot be comfortable that, sir, tomorrow you take my examination and I will be able to get rank 1. No one can be comfortable before 31st December. Understandable? Well and good. Now next controversial query, because I also run a coaching. Then, sir, what you would recommend, YouTube or paid course? So if you go on watching this video, no, in this video, I have said that you can study from YouTube as well. They are college going student. Someone is having 1 year of time, 2 years of time, right? Someone has already prepared. But being a dropper student, I always recommend go for the paid course. If you feel like that, sir, on YouTube as well, because I have provided 5 comprehensive courses on YouTube. 5 comprehensive. Whatever the 5 courses that I provided on YouTube, the same is there in paid courses as well. Although not the complete course, like 5 courses are complete, but 5 more subjects are there. No, those are not completely provided. But yes, on YouTube, more than enough content is there. But when you join a paid course, you get the guidance as well. You get the perfect plan as well. You get to talk to the mentor as well. There will be bi-weekly meetings as well. So you can go with the paid course. I'm not saying that you go with my course only. You find a suitable course for you and proceed with that. Being a dropper student, this is what I would recommend. And our courses are not so costly. Like, I'm not even talking about me. Other coaching institutes as well, GATE courses are not very costly. Within 10K, you can get the best possible content along with the guidance, right? Along with the very, like, I don't know about the guidance of others, but we provide the best possible guidance, and no one is near when we provide the guidance in that. So yeah, these are our courses. Pathfinders batch we are having, and Titans batch we are having. So Titans batch is having the full subscription. You will be getting the test series as well, complete video recorded content, lecture PDF, and printable notes. You will be getting assignment problems will be there, doubt solving group will be there. There you will be added, and post gate guidance will also be there. And here the access is till 30th June. Why it's till 30th June? Because till this date your post gate things will be done. No, here the access is till 31st March. So this is only for those guys, sir. I just need the content and doubt solving. That's it. Nothing else. I need the content, doubt solving. Surely assignments will be there, and lecture PDF will also be there. This is the only thing I need, sir. I don't need your bi-weekly guidance or anything, sir. I don't want you as a mentor. I can study on my own. Then you can go with Pathfinders. If you feel like that, sir, I need you completely. I need the post-gate guidance as well. I need the placement courses as well, sir. When I join the masters, what I should study before that? When I go for master's interview, what should I study? So if you need that, all those things completely, then you can go with Titans batch. Otherwise, Pathfinders batch. So these are the courses we are having. This will cost you roughly around 6K. Okay, the promo code is PREP. The promo code is PREP as of now. Either PREP would work or Fusion would work. Actually, it is taken from the backend team. I don't know. I actually don't know what is the promo code. Either PREP would work or Fusion would work. You can try one of them. Okay, so this will cost you roughly around 6K, and this will cost you roughly around 10K. Less than 10K it will cost. Around 10K it will cost. Okay, so these are the prices. Very less prices are there. And sir, when you say doubt solving, what kind of doubt solving? This kind of doubt solving. I personally clear all the doubts in the voice note. It's not that sir doubt solving group we have made. You can see the time, like usually I do it every day within 24 hours. I try to reply all the doubts. So you can see the time window 5:45, 5 minutes 45 seconds, and this is how we clear the doubt. You can ask any of our paid course student that what kind of doubt solving we provide. That is next to none. Okay, I will be there, Anish sir will be there, and our previous gate rankers will also be there. So they will also be clearing the doubt. I will also be clearing the doubt. So complete kind of doubt solving is there, and more than 900, roughly around 900 students are there already in this group. Okay, 900 students are already there in this group. Your some guys who have already got a good rank, they are also there. Okay, understandable. So roughly around 900 students are there. And sir, what kind of bi-weekly guidance session you provide? Sir, when you are saying guidance session, so we come on Google Meet and you can watch this video. So glimpse we have given. So this video is of roughly around 1 hour 18 minutes only, but the session would go on roughly around for 2 hours 30 minutes. So those 2 hours of 30 minutes session we would take, guys would be joining, they will be raising the hand, we will be asking them the query, and then we will take up the query, and we will be personally there. I and Anish sir both will be there, and we will be taking up your query. We will be tracking your progress as well, that yeah, this is the progress that you have done and next task you need to do. And these sessions are held after every 14 days. Okay, 14 days. Okay, bi-weekly session. In every 14 days we will these sessions will be held. So this kind of doubt solving and this kind of guidance also we provide. Okay, so again it is a course promotion, but I am telling you what all the features we provide, and when we say that we are providing these features, then we mean it. Okay, and every complete transparency is there. You can ask any of our paid course student, or you can ask you can go and watch this video as well, that what kind of this one-to-one guidance we provide. Understandable, right? Yeah. Now for droppers, the preparation strategy is completed. Everything I have told. Now someone would be saying, sir, what will be the plan for working professionals? So yes, I can make a video, but you guys need to comment down what is your scenario, what all are the scenes are there. Basically, sir, I am having this much of work life, sir. I go to office 10 and come back at 7. Then this is this much amount of energy I am left with. I can give this much of hours. So that you need to write down, so that I would understand that what is the actual condition. Because whatever the working professional I have talked to, I have taught a lot of students this year. One of the working professional in our course only, he has got 89 rank. Okay, he was working in a VLSI company as well. Okay, so he was a working professional in a VLSI company. He got 89 rank. Another working professional got 170 rank. Another working professional got 210 rank. So these ranks are there, but I am just telling that even the working professional has got a very good rank, and their work life was hectic. They used to go at 9 and come back at 5 or 6 or 7, 9 to 7. Like at least this much work life was there. And Delhi office, in VLSI you would know that there are very less chances that you will get work from home. So Delhi office was also there. So but I would know their condition. No? I would know that this is how they can prepare. So based on that I could guide. So for working professional it is like very personal. So what I would do is that I would see your comments, and then based on that I would make something like in between. I will take the average of everything, and based on that I will make my guidance or strategy video. So I need to think. It's not that blindly I will put up something, I will ask AI that this is how you can prepare, give you motivation. No. When I make the plan, I think of something, yeah, this is how the plan should proceed. So I need your comments. You tell about your work life or whatever it is, how much time you are having, and based on that, I will make the plan for you guys. Understandable? Okay then. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And as of now, we are currently running free mathematics course. Along with that, EDC complete course is also available. Network analysis complete course is also available on YouTube. So you can check out these courses and get to know the quality of the content that we are providing. Yeah. Thank you very much. Happy learning.